Yes, good morning, guys. You know, we're ready to go out, but rain a fall, so we're just waiting a little to see what's going on. But the rain, you know, but we're not afraid of the water. And the rain falling, you know. Just hope that we get some good.
Yes, guys. You don't know where they are. Wait. Me, Twinny Dust, and Juby. You don't know spearfishing with Odane. As we see the rain a fall, so we just there wait till it blow off, you know. Yeah, man. So catch us in the water, guys. Yeah, man. Turn the video.
I want to come in on the side. I'm going to come to somebody of them down the side. And then it's going for the shallow. And so we shot one. And the next one we have shot the second one, we just took him. And he did it till he's gone over so. But we start to see them spread off out yesterday. Why do they? When I see somewhere, so. Where gone? Funny rat them in gone. Because you see me take him up round them and saying gone round there. Want to circle back down, sir? Want to circle back down, sir? Yes, guys, it is a very rough sea. I mean, it's like very strong current and rough sea today while spear fishing. So it's now 9:30 and it take me 1 hour to actually reach, like say, half a mile, and I'm still have 2 miles to go to the shore, guys. I'm so tired. Oh God, I just want to go in. Very strong current, guys. As you can see, the waves are so high. Yes, guys. Oh, yeah. It's a rough day for me spear fishing. This is what we actually go to from time to time, guys. Yeah, when the breeze come up on the water, as we tell you, it was raining this morning, so the rain is actually what caused all of this. Also. Ay, boy, you know like me a come. I'm gonna come for you, boy. Oh, finally reached this guy. Finally reached to land. One, dos. A long time me a come here. I think I today me a come. A long time me a come and can't reach. From last night, watch ya. Yes, guys, this is what actually happening right at the current moment, guys. Yeah, man, rough sea, take where you see, you know. So we have to come out, I swear. Yeah, man, well, me actually find 3 barracuda still, give thanks, you know. Yeah, man. This is what happening, guys. It's a very rough day at sea. Strong current, strong wind, high high wave, guys. Yeah. Wow, that is so beautiful. Giving you guys a view of what it is like when the sea get rough, you know. Yeah, man, sometimes many of you guys have never seen it, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Like me say, strong wind, strong current, and strong breeze. Cause all of this, guys. Yeah, so this morning, regardless of the rough sea, we never go on too bad. So this is what does catch today. Does actually catch 1 barracuda, guys.
Yes, guys. This is my catch today.
Yeah, man, 1 barracuda this up.
Remember to subscribe.
Yeah. And this is what Odane catch today, guys. 3 barracuda. Yeah. You catch a 20. Yeah, so 20 that, guys. And this is what 20 catch. This is 20 catch today. 1 barracuda. As we say, regardless of the rough sea, we still have to give thanks for what we catch, you know? Yeah, man. And it's better to be safe than unsafe, you know? So we just come out of the water, you know? And get the fish them clean up, you know, guys. Twinny are clean up fish. So we just get them clean up and head back home. Yeah. So, how was it today, Twinny?
Rough, man, rough. Water never pretty.
Very rough day.
Yeah, man, water does get rough, man. So we have to just strap it and come out.
Alright.